Local authorities are holding a memorial service to honor 30 people killed in a deadly fire. Among them are 27 firefighters, the oldest in his 30s, with 2 of them only in their teens. The 3 other victims were volunteers in their 40s. The Liangshan Yi Autonomous Prefecture declared Thursday as a day of a public mourning. Locals paid tribute by laying flowers and lighting candles. The blaze broke out last Saturday and proceeded to burn across 15 hectares of terrain in a remote mountainous area. It was extinguished on Wednesday.